Hello, lovely students. I hope you're doing great and you will sound better. In today's class, you guys will learn about the two sounds that are pa and ba. So the whole class is about pronunciation, okay? And these are the minimal parts, okay? So in this class, you will learn the difference between pa and ba, okay? And how these sounds change the meaning of a word when we change this sound, okay? So in this class I will teach you, okay, how these sounds pronounce and where these sounds from our vocal cards pronounce. Before jumping into the class, I will just ask you a couple of questions that um, what is the difference between these two sounds, and what difference do you feel between these two sounds? Mr. Misal, can you tell me how did you pronounce and how do you pronounce this sound? For? No, 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 it is not for. It is pa. Okay. So well done. Okay. And Mr. Shayan, okay, how did you pronounce this word? How did you pronounce the sound b? Yes, exactly. It is b. Okay. Well then. So don't worry, I'll teach you. Okay. So class, listen to me. First of all, these are we call these sounds bilabial, okay? Because you know when you pronounce these words, the upper lip and the lower lip, okay, touches, okay? You know, and the air comes through the lungs, okay, and comes from the lungs, and that just will stop here in your mouth, and then and suddenly release after just breaking off the lip, okay? So these are bilabial sounds, okay? And these sounds produced from the two lips, the upper lip and the lower lip. The when that comes together, pressed together, these sounds produce like pa and ba. Okay, so repeat after me, right? Whole class, the whole class, please repeat after me. Pa, yes, well done. And ba. One more time, please. Repeat. Okay, the sound pa and ba. Well done. Mr. Rizal, please, can you repeat? Can you say that sound again? Pa. Yes, well done. Now you have just improved your pronunciation. Well done. And Mr. Fan, that is how do you pronounce ba? Yes, exactly. That is ba. Well done. Examples will give you, for example, like pen, pen. Okay, and let's change the initial sound. Okay, ba, the ben. Okay, now it is ban. Okay, we have another word by just changing the first sound. Okay, pen and ban. Okay, so you know these are just two different sounds. Let's example, you know, pat, 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 and bat, the one we use to play cricket, right? So these are this is the difference between these two sounds. So I hope you got all the points, okay, I have discussed, and I hope you will just you know you will just differentiate these two sounds, okay? So please, I will just divide the class into groups, into many groups, and you will just in those groups you will just practice these sounds with each other, right? And then you will record yourself, okay, after this, okay, after this activity. So please and we will also practice the tongue twisters, okay, in the class, right? So now we should practice the tongue twister, Mr. Sun, now. Okay, we will practice, okay, no problem. So you know, can you repeat the tongue twister for the sound b? For example, Betty bought butter, but the butter was bit. Okay. Okay, you want me to slowly, you want me to pronounce the okay slow, no problem. Betty bought butter, but the butter was bit. Mr. Shayali, can you just can you say this tongue twister one two times? Yes, well done. That's great. Well done. So another tongue twister for the sound pa. Okay, Peter Piper picked. peck of peckled peppers. Okay, you want me to? Okay, slow. Okay, no problem. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Okay, Vesan, please repeat. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. This is how you just, you just can improve your pronunciation, and you can also improve your pronunciation of these sounds. But another method I will share that you can say these words like pa 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 and ba ba ba. Pa 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 ba 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 ba. You can, you can improve these sounds like this. Okay, so now, boys, it is the time to practice these sounds individually, right? You will just, you will just practice these sounds individually, and you will record your sound. Okay, and then I will just, assist, and I will just listen to it. And how do you pronounce these sounds? So let's just give you 1 minute, okay, and to pronounce these sounds. Okay, so your time is now up. Mr. Sun, please bring me your recorded video, recorded sound, right? Well done, that's great. It's okay, and yeah, exactly, it is and Mr. Hagan, please. Yes, exactly, you are also right. Well done. You guys are just, you guys are doing a great job. Well done. I hope the class was interesting, and you find the class interesting. Pronunciation is not that not that much easy, but you guys did a very good job. Thank you so much, and I hope you will do this good job again and again. And thank you so much for just listening to me. And I will come back with another lecture. Thank you so much.